Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now, we have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time, even as the investigation is continuing as far as the Delhi blast probe is concerned, and there is lens on the white-collar terror module that was busted by J&K police. We have a reaction now coming in from NC Chief Farooq Abdullah, who has called for a thorough and independent probe into the Nagaon police station blast, and also saying that mistakes in the initial handling of the explosive may have contributed to the tragedy. Not just that, in fact, he has also raised some questions. For example, why did doctors turn to terror is what he has asked. He's also said it is time for honest introspection. And on Pakistan as well, he thinks that, he's hoping that both countries will improve relations. Listen in to this first reaction of NC Chief Farooq Abdullah.
अभी हम दिल्ली की मुसीबत से निकले ही नहीं थे, जहां हर कश्मीरी पे उंगलियां उठाई जा रही हैं। अब कब तक हम लोगों को इसका देना पड़ेगा? कब तक? कब वो दिन आएगा जब हमको भरोसा आएगा नहीं हम लोग हिंदुस्तानी हैं? कब? और हम जिम्मेवार नहीं है इस चीज के। जो जिम्मेवार है उनसे पूछिए क्यों इन डॉक्टरों को ऐसा क्या हुआ? आप व्हाइट टेररिज्म कहें, रेड टेररिज्म कहें, टेररिज्म है। वैसी वजह क्या हुई? जो हमारा नेबर है वो कब तक ये करता रहेगा? उन्हें भी सोचना चाहिए। वो तो ऐश में बैठे हुए हैं और हर मुसलमान पे यहाँ पे वो कुछ करते हैं तो निशाना बांधा जाता है। जिम्मेवार वो हैं, हम पाकिस्तानी नहीं है। यहाँ के हिंदुस्तानी मुसलमान जो हैं हिंदुस्तानी मुसलमान हैं, वो कभी पाकिस्तानी मुसलमान नहीं बने।
Let's now go across to my colleague Sahil Suhail, who is joining us on the broadcast more on this. Sahil, clearly this is the first reaction that we've got from NC Chief Farooq Abdullah, and he's raising questions and also trying to ask, as to, why are these doctors doing what they are doing, those who are part of this white-collar terror network. He also says that we need to also figure out what was the reason that these doctors had to take this path, as if it was, some kind of, a compulsion as far as these doctors are concerned, who, went on this path of destruction.
Yes, NC President Farooq Abdullah is basically raising questions over the policies of government of India, are the policies that are being in fact implemented in Jammu and Kashmir. This is what his statement hints at. In fact, Farooq Abdullah saying that what was the reason that that these doctors in fact turned to terrorism are in fact carried out what they did. Equally raising questions in fact about the painting of every Kashmiri, and in fact blaming them for terrorism or from blasters. In fact, Farooq Abdullah making this statement today in connection with the blast that had taken place inside Nagaon police station. One making, in fact, saying that claiming that Jammu and Kashmir police or personnel who were in fact part of the investigating team handling these explosives were not basically, in fact, well versed with the explosives, and in fact suggesting that they should have spoken to the security forces who are aware of these explosives. Second, in fact, saying that in Delhi blast case, in fact, questions were being raised on every Kashmiri, suggesting that every Kashmiri is being looked as a terrorist. This is the similar statement J&K PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti had in fact made few days back, saying that why every Kashmiri is being in fact targeted, why Kashmiri is being in fact seen through the prism and lens of this terrorism. So the value-based politics is the value-based politicians are in fact habitual of making such statements, while the fact is that nobody had basically blamed Kashmiris or in fact Kashmiri doctors. It's one module that is under investigation, and security forces, Jammu and Kashmir police is investigating, picking up their primary or secondary contacts and in fact investigating them. We had seen how PDB Chief Mehbooba Mufti in fact said that the family members or those in fact who are in touch with these doctors should not be seen as terrorists. But the police investigation in fact demands that anyone who had remained in touch with these accused, at least in touch with the prime accused, who is Dr. Umar, police has to pick up them. Police has to investigate. That's what is being done. In fact, as per the procedure and as per the law, it's strictly as per the norms and as per the law that detentions are taking place and in fact questioning is taking place. So, Farooq Abdullah, in fact, making this statement today is basically his statement is rooted into Kashmir politics and into valley-based politics, where he is in fact trying to play on both sides. When he says
so two important points, that need to be highlighted as far as the statement by Farooq Abdullah is concerned. Sahil Suhail, stay on with us. One, of course, is that the way Farooq Abdullah is saying, we need to ask those who are responsible why these doctors had to take this path. What was the reason? Now, that's point number one. What is he trying to say is the question many are asking, because was it out of compulsion that these doctors who were doing so well in life, in fact, decided to become suicide bombers? That's point number one. Point number two, that Farooq Abdullah has mentioned in his particular statement is that we haven't come yet out of the crisis in Delhi where fingers are being pointed at every Kashmiri. And as Sahil Suhail was saying, that isn't really the case. Nobody is raising questions on all Kashmiri doctors. The only point that's being made right now is that agencies are looking at those who are part of this white-collar terror module. That's the focus. So why bring politics into it is the question many are asking. We have a reaction coming in from BJP as well. Listen.
कश्मीर में दो परिवार हैं। दोनों परिवारों ने जम्मू कश्मीर को पिछले 36 सालों से रक्त रंजित किया है, इस विमर्श के आधार पे, इस नैरेटिव के आधार पे, जिसमें एक अब्दुल्ला परिवार है और दूसरे मुफ्ती परिवार है। इनके पास कोई भी विकास के लिए और जम्मू कश्मीर की बेबूदी के लिए कोई मुद्दा नहीं है। ये इसी अलगाववाद के नैरेटिव पे अपनी राजनीति करते हैं। मुझे समझ नहीं आता, कल महबूबा मुफ्ती साहिबा ने क्लीन चिट दे दी जांच जिन पर हो रही है, आज फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब ने क्लीन चिट दे दी। क्या फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब को पता है कि जो ये चेन पकड़ी गई है, जिनमें डॉक्टर्स फ्रेटर्निटी के लोग भी हैं, उनके रिलेटिव्स हों, उनके फ्रेंड्स हों, उनके जान पहचान के लोग हों, वो इन्वॉल्व नहीं है? फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब को कैसे पता चला? हाँ, फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब ये कह सकते हैं कि भाई अगर कोई इसमें जिसे हम कहेंगे मासूम निकले, उस पे कार्रवाई ना हो, जांच ही ना हो। ये फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब कहते हैं। ये बड़ा अजीब विषय मुझे लगता है, और इन्हीं विषयों पे वो राजनीति कश्मीर में करते हैं। जम्मू कश्मीर में दोनों परिवार।
So that was a reaction we got from the BJP. Moving